Working in a rib pattern is super useful. It's the thing you're going to find on the cuffs of sleeves, and it can also be a pattern in its own right. So let's get started. For a classic rib pattern, you just need to know how to knit and purl. Here I have a pattern that is just one knit stitch followed by a purl stitch, and then you just repeat that. Here's how we're going to do the 1x1 rib. So if you see in a pattern something that says 1x1, that's a 1x1 pattern, and that is knit, purl, knit, purl. So we just knit our first stitch, and then take your yarn, move it through the needles to the front, purl, and then take your yarn, move it through the needles to the back, and then knit. And you just continue on like that. So here we have 2x2 rib, and you can see how the ribs are a little thicker. And when you're knitting like a 1x1 rib or a 2x2 rib, you want to have your stitches even. And every time you start a new row, you want to start with the same stitch. So if you started off knit 1, purl 1, on the next row you're going to start off again knit 1, purl 1.